Okay, now that the next of the entrepreneur at the time she start the venture is she also have network, which is she use this network to help to improve their ways in cooking and management kitchen. The first network that she mentioned is the owner of the Yellow Bamboo Western Food. Second, she call it Abang Amir, the owner of the Char Kway Teow Oyster Tabasco. In this place, in this Char Kway Teow Oyster Tabasco, she said that she also send their staff to Char Kway Teow Oyster Tabasco to learn about the management, about the kitchen things. Next, control at the initial stage of the business, which is the owner of the Face Kitchen is truly start from scratch. That no employers and start the business use as only small capital. And the last one is challenges. She also said that impossible that all business start and continuing without any challenges. The challenges like profit and loss are common things in business life. So the owner of Face Kitchen said the biggest key for facing this obstacle or challenges is a patience. That's the biggest key.
Today, I would like to talk about the business plan of Fish Kitchen. The main plan of this business is to grow by opening more branches in the future. At the beginning, Fish Kitchen needs to focus on the local market. This is important to make the business stable and to gain customer trust. Customer trust is very important because customers are the key to business success. If customer trust the brand, they will continue to support the business. Therefore, before expanding to a higher level, the business must be strong in the local market. Besides that, Fish Kitchen also plan to enter international market such as Indonesia, Singapore, and other countries. This plan is not only to increase sales and profit, but also to introduce the Fish Kitchen brand to a global level. Before opening a new branch, the company must first check whether it is ready. Opening a branch is not easy and need careful planning. This is because business expansion require a lot of capital, good management, and skilled workers. For example, a small business like selling at a night market can make profit, but the profit is limited because the business is small. However, this small business is useful to gain experience and collect capital before starting a bigger business. In conclusion, good preparation is very important before expanding a business. With proper planning, the business can run smoothly and achieve higher profit. So, thank you.
In conclusion, Nurfriza Izri proves that success is not about large capital but determination, perseverance, and vision. Guided by value inspired by Prophet Muhammad, her main goal is to provide comfort for her parents. So her key success factors are resilience, practical experience, continuous learning, strong networking, and value-based leadership. That showing that with effort and principles, one can rise from hardship to lasting success. That's all for us. Thank you.